Hi everyone. If you want to make your resume professional, easy to read, and ATS-friendly, I've got a ready-to-use Google Docs template for you. Today, I'll show you how to use it correctly, how to check your resume with online tools, and which tricks actually help you pass ATS filters. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to download this template completely for free. So watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss the next breakdowns. Let's not waste any time and get started. The first thing to understand is this: a good ATS-friendly resume isn't about design, it's about content. And the system doesn't care how pretty it looks, it cares how your experience and skills match the job description. So before filling out your template, let's prepare everything properly. Open LinkedIn and find a job you're genuinely interested in. For example, I'm looking at a marketing specialist role. Copy the job description and go to a site like WordCloud Generator. Paste the text and you'll get a cloud of keywords. See that? Sales, AI, marketing. These are the words ATS will look for in your resume. According to Jobscan, if at least 60 to 70% of the keywords match, your chances of passing the ATS filter triple. Some HR experts argue about how important this is, but in practice, it's better to include them than not. Just don't overdo it. If the system sees the same word 15 times, it can flag it as keyword stuffing and automatically discard your resume. Now that we have the keywords and know what the system is looking for, let's move to the template and see how to apply them correctly. Let's start from the profile section. This is the business card of your resume. It should show who you are and why you should be hired in 2 to 3 lines. No generic "I'm responsible and goal-oriented," only facts. Example: strategic and creative marketing specialist with over 6 years of experience in digital campaigns, SEO, content creation, and brand strategy. It's concise, professional, and includes keywords. If you have less experience, focus on skills. Motivated marketing specialist skilled in SEO, content strategy, and paid advertising. The key is to show direction, not years of experience. Education section, simple and clean. Include the full name of the school, years, and degree. A TS often looks for exact phrasing like Bachelor of Science or Master of Arts. All right, next comes the core of your resume, the experience section. This is where most people go wrong. Each bullet should answer, what did you do and what was the result? Bad, responsible for social media. Good, manage social media channels, increasing engagement by 40% in 6 months. Action result metric. If you don't have exact numbers, highlight the process. Created weekly content plans and optimize ad creatives based on analytics insights. Also, use action verbs: improved, achieved, optimized, launched. It immediately makes you sound competent. Once you've shown your achievements, it's time to back them up. The certification section adds weight. Even online courses count. ATS picks up the names of companies: Google, HubSpot, Meta. HR sees them too and knows you keep your skills up to date. Skills section, don't make a long list of 50 words. 10 to 12 relevant skills are enough. If you're applying for different roles, make separate versions of your resume. For marketing, SEO, analytics, paid ads, email automation, copywriting. For project management, budgeting, planning, communication, agile, Jira. Once your template is filled, it's time to check how it performs in ATS. Use Jobscan, Resume Worded, or ResuMatch. Upload your resume and the job description. Within a minute, you'll get a report: keyword match, structure, tone, and errors. If your score is above 75%, you're in great shape. And that's it. Your professional ATS-ready resume is complete. Now, if you'd like to get this exact Google Docs template, I've made it super easy. If you do use LinkedIn, head over to my post about ATS resumes, drop a comment saying ATS, and I'll personally send you the link there. But if you don't have LinkedIn, just fill out a quick Google form, leave your Gmail, and you'll automatically receive the template link plus a bonus checklist with tips on avoiding the most common resume mistakes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you make your resume stronger and more professional. And by the way, if you want more high-quality templates for Google Docs and Word, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to my Etsy store where I post new designs every week. Good luck with your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.